I just want to hear your thoughts on a program called OpRegen. It's using cells, regenerative cells, to improve the GA or RPE cells. Just want to hear if you guys have any thoughts on the program and the approach, and how do you view that? Because it's potentially regenerative, if it could improve the GA rather than slowing down the disease progression, that would be a quite differentiating factors. Maybe we can start with Dr. de Luise.
So we're talking about OpRegen lineage now and their clinical trial. I am very interested in what they're doing because the early data, again, public data, is showing, to Dr. Grunwald's point, here we have an agent that potentially can regenerate cells. They're pointing out that atrophic macular degeneration is not necessarily an irreversible condition. And to the extent that OpRegen might actually, the stem cell transplants, if we have a better subretinal delivery system, perhaps that orbital subretinal delivery system or a robotic system, where we really are delivering a couple of 100,000 or 100,000 cells under the macula, and it's not coming back out of retinotomy, which I worry about with these gene therapy transplants, where we're losing the very expensive, valuable agent. I do think that OpRegen is an exciting alternative strategy. It's not dependent on complement. It's a regeneration strategy, and they are showing a new growth of RPE in these patients, and that is really exciting long term.
Got it. And Dr. Grunwald, do you have anything to add here?
The concept is phenomenal. I have to see results. You have to put these things under the retina. That is dangerous to the retina. If you're starting with a retina that is already quite sick, if it works, it is going to be fabulous. But who knows?
And when you talk about you want to see the data, at which scale or which level you want to see the data? Let's say because it's it's cell therapy, it's a little bit problematic potentially than a single drug injection or oral drugs. Just want to hear your thoughts. Will 10 patients be enough, 100 patients be enough, or 1,000 patients will be enough?
One patient is not enough. It can be a fluke. I think you would need a small study, but in the number of patients, I don't know what the number is, 10, 15, in which you see long-term, because the promise of this is that you can put something there, it works for long time. But there are so many issues with inflammation, with the trauma of the surgery. How close do you need to put it to the macula? Is there any rejection? And it's very promising, but a complicated issue. And I wish them to succeed.